Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into a technology that could completely change how you use the internet. We're talking about your browser evolving from just a window for finding information to a powerful co-pilot for actually getting things done online, all on its own.
I mean, seriously, just imagine your browser actively completing tasks for you, booking things, summarizing reports, even drafting your social media posts. And look, this isn't some far-off sci-fi thing. It's an idea that's happening right now. So let's break down how it all works.
Right, so this isn't science fiction. It's the power of what we're calling an agentic browser. But what does that actually mean?
Okay, so in plain English, it means you give it a goal, just using normal language, and it figures out all the boring stuff, all the clicks, the typing, the navigating, to get that job done. To really get a feel for this, let's walk through a pretty normal workday, but, completely reimagined with this AI co-pilot by our side.
Every workday kicks off with the same two challenges, right? A flooded inbox and a jam-packed calendar. Let's see how an agentic browser tackles them.
So instead of you manually digging through that mountain of messages, you can just give your browser a clear set of instructions to do the work for you. See, you're not just searching here, you're literally delegating the entire job of inbox triage.
And bam, just like that, the browser crunches through all your unread mail and gives you a simple, actionable summary. Suddenly, all that morning brain fog is just gone.
And this right here, this is the really critical part. The AI isn't just making a wild guess based on public info. Nope. It is securely navigating your personal inbox just like you would, but it's processing everything at lightning speed to give you exactly what you asked for.
All right, next up, the calendar. You need to block out your day. No more opening the app, clicking around to find the day, filling in all the little boxes. Forget all that. You just tell the browser what you want.
This is a perfect example of the agent in action. It doesn't just find your calendar, it takes direct action for you, creating the event with all the correct details. It's honestly like having a personal assistant built right into your browser.
Okay, so the morning's administrative mess is sorted. Now let's see how this tech can help you build your professional presence online. We're shifting gears from just organizing to actually creating.
You want to share what you're up to, but you're just staring at that blinking cursor. We've all been there. Instead, you just give the browser a creative brief. And notice how specific it is. You're asking for a particular tone, a certain length, a specific vibe.
And this is the cool part. The browser doesn't just spit out some generic robotic text. It gets the nuance. It understands what an authentic, inspirational tone means for LinkedIn. It can even use different AI writing tools behind the scenes to craft the perfect message, basically acting as your creative partner.
Okay, now let's try some research. You can send your agent out to scout social media for you. But you're not just asking it to find relevant stuff. More importantly, you're asking it to structure the findings for you. And here's the result, a perfectly structured table that saves you from endless scrolling and manual copy-pasting. What's so powerful here is its ability to not just find information, but to extract and analyze data from these really complex and dynamic social platforms.
Okay, this is where it gets really powerful. Let's watch how the agentic browser handles a complex multi-source research task to get you prepped for a big meeting.
Just look at this command. You're asking it to go to 3 different kinds of places: a social profile, a corporate website, and the open web for news, and then synthesize all of it into a single brief. That's a huge task.
So the process starts on the company's LinkedIn page. The agent isn't just scraping text, it's understanding the team structure, identifying key people, and noting their recent activity.
From there, it jumps over to their official website. It's scanning the About Us page, product info, and mission statement, basically extracting their core message and what they're all about.
The final step is a big sweep of the web. The agent is looking for any recent news articles or press releases that give you the latest context, the kind of info that could be critical in a timely conversation.
And here is the payoff. The agent synthesizes information from all 3 sources into one concise, actionable brief. This isn't just a collection of links and data, it's intelligence. What would have taken you hours of manual research is now done in minutes. So, we've just seen how an agentic browser can totally transform a workday, from managing your inbox to prepping you for high-stakes meetings. But the real question is, what will you do with it?
I mean, really think about your own workflow. What's that repetitive, boring, time-sucking part of your day that you would just love to hand off to an assistant?
It could be anything. Maybe it's researching competitors, summarizing those super long reports you never have time for, drafting routine email follow-ups.
The possibilities are really only limited by your own needs and your own imagination.
Ultimately, what this all points to is a fundamental shift. Your browser is evolving from a passive window you use for searching the web into an active partner for doing things on the web. So the only question left is, what will you command it to do first?